Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Guys, if you have accidentally deleted a file or a folder and you have deleted that permanently and it was something very important, how we can recover that by just using the tool in Windows 11. So let's say this is a backup file that I accidentally deleted. I holded the shift key and then press delete. So this says that are you sure you want to delete this permanently? Click yes. And let's say I have deleted that completely. And now let's say this was done accidentally. How can I recover that? So first of all, you need to check that whether you have permanently deleted or is there any option to recover this. The best way to see this in Windows 11 is to check your recycle bin. Just go in here and see if it is shown here. If it is, then you can just right click and click on recover or restore. But if not, you can check the history as well. Just go to the start menu in right here, control panel. Just go in control panel. And from here, just click on the system and security right here. And here you can search for this file history. Just check the file history. Now, sometimes if your file history option is turned on, you can recover the files from here as well. But as you can see here, my option is turned off. So we have to find another solution. Now, what you can do is the only option you have in Windows 11 that you can do is just go to the start menu and right here, Microsoft Store. Just open the store. And once the store is open, you can write here Windows Recovery, hit enter, and it will show you this one, Windows File Recovery. So we have different tools, but we will use this first one for now. It's a free tool. So let's click here. Now we can simply just click on this get to be able to install it. It will take some time to install. And once this is done, you will get this open file option. Just open it. Or alternatively, if you have closed this after installing, what you can do is it will be installed in the Windows. So you can just go to the start menu and right here, Windows File Recovery, and you should be able to get this app. Just click on that. Click yes. Now you will see something like a command prompt. Now there are two modes for recovery. One is regular, one is extensive. So regular says that if you have standard recovery option for non-corrupted NTFS drives. So basically the regular mode is for the files and folder that you just deleted recently, while the extensive mode is for the files and folders that you deleted long time ago. So I recommend to use the regular mode first because obviously this standard recovery process takes lesser time. But if you are unable to recover from that, then I recommend you to use the extensive mode. But first of all, we will use some kind of commands here, and it's written here as well. We will write winfr. Now you can specify the drive with which the file was there, from where it was deleted. Just hit a spacebar and then mention the drive where the file was located earlier from where it was deleted, and then put an other space. And now you have to specify the drive where you want to restore that. Now guys, just remember that if you have a single drive only and you don't have multiple drives, you won't be able to recover that. So in that case, what you can do is just if you have only one drive, you can insert a USB stick and then recover on that particular drive. So let me just quickly insert my drive or a USB stick, and it will show you this option. Right now I'm connected to a virtual machine, so I'll connect it to that particular device. Otherwise it will show you this main option to connect it with your drive. And now it's just showing as E drive. So I'll just go back to this area and just specify the E drive. Now just again give a space and write regular, followed by a /. Now just give a space, put a / and write regular. Make sure the spellings are correct. Now what you can do is just run the scan from here, and it should be able to scan through all of the C drive files and recover that potentially what is your file. But it involves extensive scanning. So if you want to specify it further, let's say you remember the folder name, what you can do is just press a space and put a / and write N here. and then you can specify the folder name if you remember that. So mine was on main C drive, so it is not applicable. But if you, let's say, have a particular folder, let's say backup, so you can specify that folder, and after that you can even narrow it down by pressing backslash and just put a static. If you remember the extension, you can also mention the extension, for example .exe, .back, whatever, and it will take lesser time to scan through all the system because you have specified the folder and the file extension. So you can do the same for pictures, Excel files, document file, whatever you have, you can specify according to that if you remember that. But otherwise, you can just scan it regularly and just hit enter. And it will take some time, so just sit back and relax while it tries to recover your file. So if you want to continue, click yes. And now it's scanning and processing the disk. So once this is completed, what you can do is just minimize this and just go to the drive you specified, and here are different recoveries created. Just go to this recovery file and just search for the files that it recovered, and you should be able to find your file. So hopefully that should resolve your problem and should be able to recover your file. This is the recovery folder, but if you can't find your file here, you can just check out my other video where I have shown you that a free tool can recover that, which is CC Cleaner. So just check that out. So hopefully this was a helpful video, and if it was, just mention down in the comments if it works, and I'll see you in the next one.